Hello everyone, welcome back to indiancoding.com. Today we are going to study about sets. So let's see what is it. So sets are used to store multiple items in a single variable. Set is a 4 built-in data type in Python used to store the collection of data. So the other three are list, tuple and dictionary. We have already studied the list and tuples. You can study in our app or you can also prefer these videos to able to study this. So in that case, set is a very normal way. That how we worked in the tuples and list. So there are many kind of sets are there. So usually they are unordered and unchangeable. Duplicates are not allowed in this. And there are few examples we are going to work on it. Okay. So here I have already created one and let's see how can we do that. So I have created one set here, that is apple, banana and cherry. I have mentioned some fruits name. Okay. So how can we access in that? So let me access one set here. So I will print fruits of 0. Okay. So it will help me to reach the first fruit I have mentioned over there. Okay. So let me run this particular. Now on screen you can see that that is not available because I need to update first following things, then only it will be able to work. Okay. So we should give the proper, okay, like right now I will write my set equal to, then we will see if we are going to get or not. So set object is not subscriptable. Okay, let me change few things, then we will see if I am going to get or not. Okay. So let me write it again and then we will update it properly. Now you will be able to see how we can get error in this. We have to write everything very properly, then only we will get that. It's not that easy like in the list. We have to mention it properly. So that's like for x in my set, x print x. Okay. So now we will get all the details that are available here. Once we have to introduce everything into our codes, then only we will be able to understand that these are variables, these are the variables that are available. I'll comment all these things and then we will start how to update your details, okay, and how to add your details. There are few things I'm going to work on. So let me start with adding kiwi. Okay, how can we add that? So we have to write my set dot add kiwi, print my set. Okay, so in that case let me see if this particular program will work or not. Okay, now on screen you can see that I have already updated my set, that is kiwi is included over there. So that's how you can add few things if you want to add it. Okay, I will start the next thing. The another one we are having how to join. Okay, in that case what I have to do, I have to write my set 2, that I need to add some set over there. So my set 2 inside the bracket, always mention the curly braces. You have to write set in your curly braces only, then only it will going to work. Okay, string 2. So now I will write set 3 equal to my set 2 dot union of my set, print of set 3. Okay, so it will help me to add the other details. Okay, now on screen you can see that whatever the details I have mentioned is added over there. I have created one more set, that is including my set plus my set 2, and now that is giving me the third set, that is including both the things. So that is one of the way how can you join 2 to 3 sets in a single set. So this is very easy how to do that. You can also create these things uh, in your Python. So that's all for today's class. Tomorrow we'll study about more features related to Python. Thank you so much.